Hey guys, it's Lane and Jerry out here again. We are with Renown Cargo Trailers, and we've got an amazing, set apart trailer. This right here is going to be used by the U.S. Navy. It is a drone trailer that they are going to be using with the Department of Homeland Security, actually building weapons. That there's rumors this trailer's actually going overseas. It's an 8.5 by 18. You can see the aggressive tires on there. These are not your normal trailer tires, mud grip tires to go off grid, adjustable coupler, electric jack on the front. But again, generator box, fully equipped with electrical package. We've got a 7,000 watt Honda with a fuel injection inverter generator. That's a very nice generator on the inside. But Jerry, tell them a little bit about this trailer. Spread 5,200 pound torsion axles. This is a cool looking trailer.
Well, like Lane said, this is kind of sets us apart from different things, guys. This is set up with a 4x8 concession door in it, so that way they can get their stuff in and out. It does have the nice looking, I do like those tires. The tires this trailer looks mean with those tires on it. I'm gonna just put that out there. Guys, it's set up with electrical package, has the AC in the front. It's like a 52-inch TV on the side right there. Got all your base cabinets, overhead cabinets, closets. It's got your weather stripping at the back door right here, so that way it keeps the cool air in from the AC when it's running. This thing's set up with a 12 volt and 110 package on it. Like I said, you got your counter height work desk right here with your doors in it. You have your serving shelf right here on the side that you're gonna be using. Guys, he's got the puck lights in the top, RTP on the floor, RTP on the ramp door. This thing is built sturdy, very, very sturdy. I like the full length closet right here. That way you can put your stuff in there, hang it up, do what you gotta do on the inside. Got your overhead cabinets over there, 2 doors, base cabinet at the bottom with 2 doors. Plenty, I'm gonna say again, plenty 110 outlets in this trailer.
Yes, air conditioner. I mean, this right here, and when you walk through it, you can tell this is built with 12 on center structure. You can definitely tell this trailer's going off grid, like I said. It is built right and tight, so what we did is just 12 on centers all the way around. If you'll notice, when we go outside, you're gonna see an amazing fabricated luggage rack is what I call it, or storage rack, whatever you wanna call. But check this out. You don't see these on many enclosed cargo trailers. At Renown, we say if you can dream it, we can build it. Jerry, call up there. I tested it out the other day. I'm 246 pounds. But Jerry's going up top, big guys. So check that out.
Yeah, up here, it's very sturdy. You can tell it's got the walk-on roof on it.
But guys, if you're looking for something that's just crazy, custom built, this is what we love to do. We love thinking outside the box. We've got an in-house CAD engineer that can put together a CAD drawing for you. I feel like we're set apart from everybody else when it comes to this. The custom build, heavy option trailers runs in our DNA. It's part of who we are, and these are the trailers that we love to do. Of course, we've got your Polycore 080 semi-screwless exterior. God, I just can't quit looking at those spread torsion axles with those aggressive tires,
Dude, it's
guys.
the tires for me. It's the tires. It's the tires
So
for
this
me.
thing going down the road, it looks mean and tough, and it's built right. Rock solid cargo, best manufacturer there is, hands down. We're not the cheapest, but we are the best. So if you're looking for a superior product at a phenomenal price, you found the place, guys. Thanks for the opportunity to earn your business, and me and Jerry's about to go do some more trailers.